So we're back at it again. I have to take off all this makeup now and I don't want to. Number one, because it's cute. Number two, because it's going to be very painful. I put so much freaking latex on this thing. I don't know. I'm going to get this off. It's on my eyebrows. So oh, that hurts. My friends tell me I should use Vaseline. Don't ask why it's in this tub. I would listen to them, but what fun would that be? None. Beauty's pain, beauty's pain, beauty's pain. Ow! Gosh, that came off so easy. What? I don't know who's gonna come. Oh, ew. I'm pink. There is so much glitter and pink all over my face. I look sick.
Let's take off this makeup. Aray. Oh. Ta-da!
My thoughts when taking off my makeup. Just pull. Gross. Plop. Plop. This net was really annoying. Yay, this doesn't hurt. Satisfying. Never mind, this hurts. Why didn't I just buy an adhesive remover instead of peeling off my skin? OMG, I've ripped off my brows. False alarm, I forgot I covered them raw. Okay, bye.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my
Taking off my makeup, Grinch edition. First, I'm taking off these fingers. Disgusting. Then I realized I didn't have any more cotton pads, which meant I'll have to figure something else out. And I decided to use this old towel thing. I see you judging me. Do you have a better idea? I'm listening. No? Then shut up. At this point, I knew this was gonna take forever. Why am I doing this at 6 a.m.? After 20 minutes, my hands were clean. Then the neck area. I was a little worried I was gonna stay green, but it came off, yay! Then I moved over to my face, and I poked myself in the eye, trying to get the lens out. After that, my eye was just in so much pain, I didn't see what I was doing. Why am I doing this at 7 a.m.? And I officially can't see from my left eye.
Hello, Miss Underwater! Q-tips. They say this is the proper way to remove your makeup. We shall put it to the test. Miss Underwater, loosen the glue. It's not enough. Ooh. Ooh. Much better. No screams. Progress. Extra reinforcement. Ow. You're mad, I get it, I glued you, I'm sorry. Yes! Screaming just builds character. Well, let's save these ones. Save the bees! We are not gonna be in pain today. I feel it coming. Oh, I got it off. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Yes, yes.
Pick up my makeup with me. Oh. Oh no, the ears. Sad. Ooh, and this one. Oh, this is so sad. I don't want to do this. Should I just, you know, just rip? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh no. I look terrible. Take up my.
Alright, let's remove the makeup. Pluck the little hairs. I'm worried about how this is gonna come off. Oh. 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 Then I remove all to get rid of all this liquid latex on my face. Oh. Now we will remove going to take my face halo and get some of this off. I am gonna go in the shower now.
Take off my makeup with me. I tied this around my neck and so now I'm taking it off. Oh my god. I feel like these are gonna hurt really bad. Oh, I was right. Oh my god. Oh my. I don't think I'm doing it right. I think I was supposed to do something else. I think I was supposed to use makeup remover. Ow. Okay, eyelashes. Oh my Jesus.
31 meters away.
Oh my goodness. Okay, it's time to shower.
No, non è un filtro. Iniziamo subito a rimuovere questa roba. Via gli orecchini. Questi sono orecchini finti, ragazzi, fantastici. Ho paura a togliermi le piume. Raga, mi sto deplumando come i pulcini. Ciao, piumettina. Ovviamente, ragazzi, che ve lo dico a fare? Io spero che gli altri video vadano virali, ma nel caso in cui debba andare virale questo, io come al solito vi pregherei di andare a vedere tutti gli altri, perché queste qua sono 5 ore di lavoro, non buttiamole via, per favore. Oggi difficoltà 1000 perché sono pieno non solo di colla per coprire le sopracciglia, ma anche di colla per incollare la foglia d'oro. Nuovo acquisto, la fascia fashion. Raga, TikTok pensa di vincere questa guerra, ma facciamogli vedere di che pasta siamo fatti. Sono inquietante.
Che sonno?